If you want to alleviate your congestion, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have tried nasal decongestant inhalers before, and I've been so enamored with them that I thought I would try this out. This is a brand, comes in a 3-pack, a little sealed bag like this, and what these are MOXහැ nasal decongestant inhalers, and I thought I would try these out because I've liked them in the past, and usually they have things like eucalyptus, menthol, essential oils, you know, fairly natural stuff that has enough of a spicy flavor that they open you up, and I thought I would try these because they seem to be available at a really good price point, so, which is to say, cheap. So I thought I would try this out. I think all of these are the same, and I want to say that I thought these might be called the sea salt ones. So I think all you do now is, now that I've gotten the plastic off, you just unscrew it. The inhaler looks like this. It's got a little opening on this side. Actually, we have some holes down here, which I've never seen before, which I think is going to allow the air to go over the crystals or whatever they have inside here and then go up into your nose. And you just hold it up to each nostril, blocking off the other nostril, with a 1 or 2 second inhale. Woo! Woo! It's like sniffing Altoid dust. That's kind of what I've said in the past. It has like a kick to it for sure, and it feels kind of dry, like something with a lot of vapor, but I don't see anything coming out of here. You can see the little crystallization of whatever they're putting in there inside the tube there. But I tell you what, man, I mean, with it being as strong as it is, it's not painful. It doesn't feel like it's drying me out, but man, it feels like I can breathe easier. And so if you want something where you can just breathe as well as you can, whether you're giving a presentation, whether you're going to do some public speaking, whether you're going to play sports, something like this might just be nice to have in your pocket. It's kind of a little bit like having smelling salts. I don't know how often you're supposed to use these, or if it's a problem to use them too frequently, but every couple days I will grab one of these when I want to just wake myself up, when I want to be as sharp as possible, when I'm about to do a lot of reading, when I'm about to go on a long walk or a hike. I love having these, and they're very portable, travelable, and these in particular are really affordable. So if you want to pick these up, I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.